Nothing quite like the thrill of getting behind the wheel of a sports car. And when that car is a redesigned 2019 Chevy Camaro, that feeling reaches legendary levels thanks to a bold new look, performance, and enhanced technology. Taller, newly sculpted hoods, boldly reimagined grills, new LED headlamps, driver mode selector, available 4G LTE Wi-Fi hotspot, available powertrain options, also available heated and ventilated front seats, standard 7-inch or available 8-inch diagonal touchscreen, compatible with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, available heated steering wheel and power seats with available memory package, and to top it off, this ZL1 can take you from 0 to 60 in 3.5 seconds. From the LS featuring 275 horsepower and a standard 2.0-liter engine to the LT, Super Sport, and our very own ZL1 with a supercharged 6.2-liter V8 engine boasting 650 horsepower and 650 pounds of torque. When it comes to comfort and convenience, the competition just can't seem to keep up with this sports car. So what are you waiting for? Come and see us today and take our new 2019 Chevy Camaro for a test drive.